Hi everyone, we're here for week 3, lesson 1. So what we're going to do today, we're going to read another story, but before we do that, we're going to go over the vocabulary that we will see in the story. So I'm going to share my screen, we'll do that first. And a lot of these words you're going to see are the same, but that's okay, because that's what's in our story. Okay, so our first word is speed. So speed is how fast or slow something moves. So think about a roller coaster. A roller coaster moves fast. So a roller coaster has a high speed. And then if we think about a merry-go-round moves slowly. So a merry-go-round moves at a low speed. Okay, our next word is gravity. So gravity is a force that attracts something towards the ground. Okay, so think of if you're holding maybe a pencil or a marker, something you're holding. So hold it in your hand and then drop it. And when you let go, you're going to see that your marker or pencil is going to fall to the ground because of gravity, because everything wants to move towards the ground. Our next word is the word up. So up means towards the sky. So you can think about a roller coaster. It first moves up the track. It goes towards the sky, up high. Okay, our next word is down. So down means towards the ground. So we can think of a log flume for this one. So a log flume goes down a hill towards the ground. 2 more words. Our next word is fast. So fast means to move quickly like a cheetah. So once again, think about a roller coaster for this one. A roller coaster moves fast down a hill. And our last word is slow. So slow means taking a long time to get somewhere or moving like a snail. So you can think of the merry-go-round or the Ferris wheel for this ride. They move around slowly. Okay, those are our words. Now we're going to get into our story. So I'm going to stop sharing and then I'm going to reshare. So in our story, we're going to see some of those words we just talked about. Okay, let me reshare. There we go. All right, our story is called Let's Ride. Amusement parks have many different types of rides. You can choose what you want to ride. So on the front page here, we have a roller coaster and a Ferris wheel. Those are both rides. Our second page shows a picture of a merry-go-round. The merry-go-round is a slow ride. The floor spins around. The seats move up and down. So I want you to think, or you can answer it, if you have ever been on any of these rides. So have you ever been on a merry-go-round before? So you can answer yes or no. Okay. Our next page shows a picture of a log flume ride. Log rides are fun and wet. The logs float up and down hills. They make a big splash. So in a log flume, you're sitting in like a little log-shaped boat and you're floating in the water and that boat goes down the hills fast. And when you go down that hill, you go into more water and it makes a big splash. So a lot of times this ride gets you all wet. These are good on a hot day. So think about it. Have you ever been on a log flume ride? I have, so I would say yes. Okay, our next page shows pictures of bumper cars. Bumper cars are small electric cars. They bump into each other. The force of the bump pushes other cars. These are a lot of fun. You don't get hurt. There's rubber around all the bottom, so when you crash into another car, it doesn't hurt. So have you ever been on bumper cars before? You can answer yes or no. Okay. Our next ride is a free fall ride. A free fall ride is fast. A cart moves up a tall track. It waits at the top and then it drops. Gravity pulls the cart down quickly down the track. Have you ever been on a free fall ride? Those are scary, but they're fun. Okay, our next page shows pictures of a roller coaster. Roller coasters come in many sizes. If a roller coaster has big hills, it moves fast. Some go upside down. Which ride will you choose? And that is the end of our story. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I hope you all like the story, and I hope those words that we talked about in the beginning, I hope that rang a bell, because we did talk about those words. So next time what we're going to do, we're going to answer some vocabulary comprehension questions, and we're going to answer some story comprehension questions. Okay? All right, I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.